Hi guys, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day on this beautiful Thanksgiving Day 2020. I know 2020 has not been optimal, but we are doing our best. So today I'm gonna take my first flight with the brand new Mini 2. I have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and set it up and take flight with it. This is going to be my first flight, and I hope I enjoy the flight, and I hope you guys do too. I'm going to take a quick flight, so let's go ahead and set it up. I'm going to keep everything auto. I'm going to click it at 4K. I like to record at 24 frames per second. And I'm going to calibrate the compass because this is my first time flying the drone. Okay, so it is ready. Alright, let's go ahead and take care of it. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Take off.
So quiet.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So quiet. It is extremely, amazingly quiet. I have to compare the Mini 1 with this one, but it is so quiet and steady. It is just amazing. So nice. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. Let's go ahead and turn it. Turn it. All right. And let's see how the flight goes. Let's go. So guys, here we go. Here's the DJI Mavic, excuse me. Here's the Mini 2. Here we go. DJI has made an amazing job with this drone. This drone is just so good. It actually flies just like the Mavic 2. Excuse me. It flies just like the Mavic Air 2. It flies amazing. So nice and steady. Let's go ahead and land it. Let's go ahead and land it right here.